We are here to unite.
We are here to build.
We are here to progress.
We are here together as a whole.
We are here for you, Canada.
We are the Tortoise Party of Canada. We are here to focus on the economy and the environment, and we believe that these two should thrive simultaneously without negatively impacting each other.
This means that taxes will be changing. They'll be raised for the rich and large companies, but lowered for the middle and lower classes. These taxes will be put forth to eliminate fossil fuels and use cleaner energy for Canada. We also plan on selling our natural resources to other countries who are having trouble going green themselves.
A vote for us means a party in charge that will always be transparent with you about our decisions. We will respect you for who you are. We believe in freedom of speech and speaking up for what you believe in. We want to support Canada's many different views on the way things should be done.
Canada will rise together. We will make sure all voices are heard. We will grow as a nation and be a leader in the climate movement. And we will try to make the cost of living lower for all citizens. We will move Canada in the right direction together.
We are the Tortoise Party of Canada.